How many trips do you think you've taken today?
Like 5 million. Not exaggerating.
You almost done?
No, when we moved into the house, our moving van was late, so I used all of our pots and pans and forks and knives from the RV for the first 2 weeks we lived here, because our moving van wasn't here yet, and I haven't put them back. So this trip is taking longer than any other trip will take to prep for. But I'm almost done. Do you hear the kids in there? Hello. My feet are freezing. I get it. Whoa. Can I help you? Okay. So, Mommy, Wesley and you are going to stay together because we cuddle a lot. Okay. Mommy, yeah, I'll have to pick a pillow across. Okay. Good job. You know, watch out, Miller. Let Wesley do it. Let Wesley do it. It can pinch your fingers. You can do it when you're 7 too.
No sitting.
Miller, this can be your job. Here.
No sitting.
Your job is to put them on top.
What's my job? Good job, Watson.
Autumn, why is there a box on our driveway?
I don't know.
What the heck? What's in there?
I don't know.
What is in there?
Let me see. I don't see anything.
It's moving! Oh, it's moving! It's a puppy!
Guys, we got a puppy. Dad doesn't know, so don't tell him.
Ah!
It's a human puppy, Mom.
I've got mail. I just got this giant package. It arrived at my door. I've been waiting for it for a while. I cannot wait to show you. Okay. How am I gonna get it out of this box? Getting distracted from packing the RV, but I wanted to show you this because I'm so excited. Wait for it. Don't look yet. Look how big it is. It's almost as big as me. Okay. Okay, are you ready? Are you ready? Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about this. One of our followers, Jen Lynn Photography, came to our house when we lived in Washington, and she took some photos for us, and we wanted to bring a little bit of Washington here to Texas with us. So I reached out to Family Gifts Co. They print really beautiful art, and it's on this nice canvas, and I went with them because they offer such a large frame, because I'm gonna hang it here in my stairwell, and I just sent them the JPEG, and then they printed this for me. I paid extra to get the frame added to it because I just thought that looked a little bit nicer than having a plain canvas. I am in love with it. Look at the quality. It is so, look at my eyes peeking over. It is so beautiful. If you got our Christmas card this year, this is the exact photo that we used. It's our favorite photo that Jen took for us on our property. I'm so happy with it, but I want to get it hung before Ben gets home so he can see it, and then I need to get the groceries packed up in the RV. So much to do, but I want to get this hung. Thanks again, Family Gifts Co. If you guys want to get a canvas from them, you can use my discount code FFP15 to get 15% off your order. I shopped around for a long time, and this is the best deal that I could find for such a large canvas. Let's get it hung and then surprise Ben and keep packing because we got to hit the road. The only problem with surprising Ben before he gets home is that I don't know where the big nails are, so I'm gonna have to find those and hope it's gonna work. Couldn't find a nail, but I found a screw. So now I have to find a screwdriver. I got it hung, guys. I put a string on it when Ben gets home. There's 2 hooks on the back that came with it, but I know that if I tried to hang it, I would hang it crooked because I am not a detail-oriented person. For now, I just did one with the wire. Don't do as I did and try to just balance it on the one screw. That's not smart. That's not smart. But what I did learn is that this thing is quality. It just fell down the entire stairwell, knocked over a vase, the vase shattered, and this thing literally does not even have a dent on it. I broke a vase. Oh my gosh. Apparently, I got a very quality product. Ben just got home from picking up a bike for Autumn on Craigslist. It's really cute. I gotta show you what I did.
What have you done?
Well,
I'm nervous.
Oh, what? I know, you proud of me?
Dude!
You call me dude?
Dude, that looks so good!
Yeah?
I love it! Where's this thing from?
Family Gifts Co.
Family Gifts Co. Very cool. Oh wow, it's pretty light for how big it is.
I know. Don't drop it.
Oh yeah?
Wouldn't want to do that.
Why, are you speaking from experience?
Nope, never happened.
Mom, I'm carrying a lot of heavy stuff today.
You are.
2 bags full, 2 hands full.
Oh, it has wheels. Look at that. Help. I just bought this dehumidifier from Costco.com. Just with the weather here and the high humidity in Texas, I find that it feels damp in here quite often. So I bought this sucker to make sure that it stays mold free and nice and clean in
Mom,
here.
where's this go?
On the counter.
I just wondering if it goes in the side.
Hey Alexa, play country music.
Alright, don't even need any air. These tires must be new. Oh, they are. When we were moving from our camping spot in Texas to our house, when we put the slides in, there was a whole bunch of standing water. It got everything soaked. We're new to the Class A lifestyle. It's a lot different than the whole travel trailer setup. So we had a great suggestion to tilt the RV back and sideways a little bit before we put the slides in. And I really appreciate that advice. Whoever you are that gave it to me, it saved me from a lot of headaches. So we're gonna do it again. We need a ladder too. One thing that RVing takes is patience. There's always a couple more things to do that we weren't ready for.
We need to get this thing a bath. What's tomorrow's weather supposed to be like?
Pretty decent wet temperature-wise.
You did good, babe.
Thank you. We made it. Hit the road, Jack. Don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more.
Wave to the guy, you just freaked him out.
He wasn't even looking at me. kids in front of us, we're like cleaning something or working on something.
Yeah, we don't just ever sit down.
Yeah. So
Makes us intentionally slow down, which is nice.
exactly.
We just pulled into the state park. We're just about to check into our spot. If you want to see more camping and come along with us, make sure you subscribe so you can join us next week, and we will see you then. And remember, you're never going to look back on your life and wish you would have gone on less adventure.